Hey everyone, welcome back to Juggling Gym. Today I'm going to show you how to do head stalls. Let's get started. This is also the first step in learning the club version, which I will not cover in this tutorial, but I may do at a later date. So basically, instead of throwing this ball, you're going to put it on your head, you're going to tilt it, and it's going to go into the other hand. First step is just to put the juggling ball on your head, tilt it to one side, and catch it. Then go back to the other side. Practice it both ways. And just a little bit of a tilt. You don't need to do that much. Instead of placing the ball on your head, you can also roll it across your head like this. I think it's just personal preference. I find it a little bit harder to do it this way. It might also be difficult for you to catch the juggling ball. So basically, as soon as I see a flash of red, that's when I stick my hand out. And my brain and my hand kind of work together to put my hand in the right spot. And basically that will come with a bit of practice, but it might be tricky in the beginning. And please don't use a hard juggling ball. I really don't want you to get hurt doing this trick. Now, for two balls, you're going to start with the ball on your head. You're going to tilt it to one side, and as you tilt it, you're going to throw the other ball like normal. So, like that. And make sure to do it on the other side too. For the next exercise, you're going to start with the regular throw. And then as the regular throw is in the air, then you do the head stall. So it looks like this. And then you're going to notice I claw catch with my right hand. My camera got hot, so I had to migrate, but here it is from the other side. A few tips for this step. The first is that you can start with your hand up here to do the head stall. This makes it a little bit easier because you don't have to move your hand as much, and this is how we're going to catch it anyways when we do the 3-ball trick. The second tip is that you don't want to throw the ball. You want to either place it on your head or you want to roll it over your head, but you don't want to throw it. The first step with 3 balls is just to practice the cascade and just take one ball and put it on your head. Like that. You can see that the pattern has stopped. That's why it's called a head stall. I can continue doing the trick whenever I want to. So then I'm just going to tilt it to my left side, get the start over here, and then I'm back into a cascade. So just go practice that. Like that. And you'll notice that when I do the head stall, you would have seen with my right hand, when I caught the white ball, I caught it up here. I didn't wait for it to fall down here. And then you just keep going. So then doing the full head stall is just about decreasing the amount of time that the ball stays on your head. But there are a few other variations of head stalls that you can do, so stay tuned. So the first variation of the basic one-off head stall trick is to do semi-continuous head stalls on one side. So basically with my right hand, I'm going to alternate between doing head stall, regular catch, head stall, regular catch. Sometimes my head stalls aren't perfect, but you just have to go with whatever you have and just try to tilt it a little bit so that it goes somehow into the other hand. It does not have to be perfect. Another fun variation of this trick is for every third throw to be a head stall. You can also work up to doing every third throw as a head stall. So this is a good rhythm that I like to practice. Thanks so much for watching the video. Please like and subscribe, and let me know what other tutorials you want to see. Keep juggling and have fun.